11:35 p.m. and 32 seconds. Two aircraft 16 miles apart, both descending directly toward each other. 11:35 p.m. and 58 seconds. 2 miles apart. Both crews see each other's lights through the windscreen now. 11:36 p.m. above the German town of Überlingen at exactly 34,890 feet. Flight 2937 and Flight 611 collide in midair. The vertical stabilizer of the DHL Boeing slices through the fuselage of the Tupolev. Both aircraft disintegrate. 71 people fall from the sky. Wreckage scattered across 60 square miles of farmland and forest. 45 children, 12 crew members,